Square allows you to add a service charge, for example, 3% gratuity or delivery fee, automatically to orders. This can be a percentage or fixed amount, applied to specific items, all orders, or under certain conditions. Steps to set up a service charge. Log into your Square dashboard, squareup.com/dashboard. Navigate to Items, Service Charges, or Payments, Service Charges in some views. Click Create Service Charge, or Plus. Enter details. Name, like service fee, delivery charge. Amount, percentage, for example 3%, or fixed dollar amount. Taxable, choose if it's taxable, usually yes. Apply to, when to apply, automatically, for example on every order, or manually, staff selects. Location, select which locations, if multi-location. Save the service charge. Assign it to your point of sale. Go to Items Device, Settings, Service Charges. Enable and select your charge.